Turkey has further cemented its position as a key player in the global aerospace industry through its successful assembly of the Airbus A400M military transport aircraft. This project is not only a technical achievement, but also a symbol of the country's ambitious ambition to achieve self-sufficiency in defense technology while strengthening its role in the international supply chain. The A400M's main assembly line is known as one of Airbus' most advanced facilities. Inside, a giant hangar, the aircraft structure, consisting of major parts such as the fuselage, wings, and tail, is assembled step by step through a highly standardized process. The process begins with the fuselage sections being joined. The precision-manufactured fuselage is joined using modern joining techniques, including automated robots and digital measuring instruments. This technology ensures that every joint meets extremely tight tolerances. Next, the A400M's massive wings are installed. The aircraft's wingspan exceeds 40 meters, making it one of the most striking components on the assembly line. The wing assembly process requires coordination between large-capacity cranes and digital control systems to ensure precise positioning. Turkey's success in domestically assembling the Airbus A400M marks a significant leap in high-tech manufacturing capabilities. The assembly process of this aircraft is no simple task. It requires complex coordination across multiple disciplines, from aeronautical engineering and electronic systems to stringent quality control. One aspect that makes this achievement stand out is the scale and complexity of the Airbus A400M itself. This aircraft features a wide wingspan, a robust fuselage structure, and advanced avionics systems that enable operation in a variety of extreme conditions. Assembling an aircraft of this size requires modern production facilities, a skilled workforce, and an efficient project management system. In addition to increasing domestic industrial capacity, this project also has a positive economic impact. Thousands of workers are directly and indirectly involved in A400M production in Turkey. This creates new job opportunities, improves workforce skills, and stimulates the growth of supporting sectors such as component manufacturing, materials, technology, and electronic systems. Furthermore, this success strengthens Turkey's position in international cooperation. As part of the A400M consortium, Turkey is not only a customer, but also an active contributor to development and production. This provides strategic advantages, including access to cutting-edge technology and future export opportunities. From a military perspective, the ability to independently assemble the Airbus A400M provides a distinct advantage for Turkey. The country is no longer entirely dependent on external suppliers for the procurement of strategic transport aircraft. In a crisis or conflict, this independence is a crucial factor in enhancing the operational readiness of the armed forces. Turkey's involvement in the A400M project began when the country joined as a partner in the multinational program led by Airbus. Since then, the Turkish defense industry, particularly Turkish aerospace industries, has played a crucial role in the production of various aircraft components. These components include fuselage sections, wing structures, and internal systems that require high precision. However, the journey to this achievement was not easy. Turkey faced various challenges, ranging from the need for significant investment, technology transfer, and adjustment to international production standards. Furthermore, coordination with global partners required careful diplomacy and management. Nevertheless, Turkey successfully overcame these obstacles through long-term commitment and strong government support for the defense sector. Looking ahead, the success in assembling the Airbus A400M paves the way for other aerospace projects. Turkey has demonstrated ambition to develop next-generation fighter jets, advanced drones, and modern air defense systems. The experience gained from the A400M project will be invaluable in achieving these goals. Furthermore, this development has also enhanced Turkey's reputation internationally. The country is now seen as a competent partner in the aerospace industry, capable of meeting stringent international standards. This could attract more foreign investment and expand technological cooperation in the future. Globally, the increasing ability of countries like Turkey to produce advanced technology reflects the changing dynamics of the defense industry. No longer dominated by a handful of developed nations, the industry is now becoming more distributed, with many developing countries beginning to play a significant role. In conclusion, Turkey's success in assembling the largest Airbus A400M is a monumental achievement that reflects the country's technological advancement, industrial strength, and strategic vision. This project not only provides economic and military benefits, but also strengthens Turkey's position on the international stage. With the foundations already laid, Turkey is on track to become a major force in the global aerospace industry in the future. The Airbus A400M is known as one of the most advanced military transport aircraft in the world today. It is designed to perform a wide range of missions, from logistics, transport, and aerial refueling to humanitarian operations and medical evacuation. With its large payload capacity and short takeoff and landing capabilities, the A400M is a strategic asset for many countries.